How much does HubSpot cost? Well, I'm right here on the main pricing plan page, the main pricing page for HubSpot. I'm right here down at the bottom. They've got the prices. So you can see they currently have the free plan at $0 per month. But first of all, I should mention I do have a link in the video description just below this video. Click on that link. You can get a free trial to HubSpot. You can check out the whole platform, see if it is for you. If it's not, that's absolutely fine. It's a free trial. If it is, you can stick around and get one of these plans. So there's a free plan. There's no credit card required. It's $0 per month. You essentially get the foundational customer platform tools to get you started, as HubSpot informs us here. They also have the starter plan at $10 per month. That is also paid per seat. So if you need multiple users, if you have multiple staff members, you pay per staff member. So essentially starter gets everything in free, and you're getting the essential customer platform tools designed for growing business. And then professional right here is at $1,450 per month, but you get 6 seats included. So lots of staff members there. And then with the enterprise plan, it's $4,700 per month. If you're a larger company, that will get you 8 seats included. So with professional, they describe it as comprehensive customer platform tools designed for organizations looking to automate and scale. And then the enterprise plan is obviously designed for larger businesses that need a much bigger customer platform. So there's some sort of frequently asked questions and some more blurb here as you scroll upwards. You can get a free demo right there, but you can also click my link, and it's in the video description just below this video. You can get your free trial. You can see if HubSpot is for you. If it's not, that's absolutely fine. You don't have to spend a penny. If it is, you can stick around and get one of these pricing plans and get all of the benefits that HubSpot gives you. So hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop the video a like. It really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.